Hey guys, George from J here, and today I'll be showing you my toy guns. So yeah, most of these are from the company Nerf. So yeah, I'll start with a wooden one. So this is the wooden one. It's gun from Star Wars. What's her face uses it? Yeah. So yeah, pretty cool. It's in the old Star Wars, like 1, 2, and 3. I think it's in the second one. Yeah. No, it's in the first one and Darth Maul and stuff. Yeah, it's in the first one. And then we got this one. Pretty nice gun. Pew pew. It used to make a sound, I think. Doesn't anymore. But yeah, nice colour. Nah, actually no. I don't really like the colour, to be honest. It's pretty cool though. Right. Then we got another wooden one. It's my brother made. So yeah. Got a handle. Got a trigger. Scope. And I don't know what this is for. But yeah, it's a pretty cool gun. Pew 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 pew. Yeah, so it's cool. Alright. Moving on to this. I believe this is called a jolt. But I might be wrong, because it's in a different colour. So yeah. I have a jolt over there. Yeah, this is a jolt, which is pretty cool. I thought because another gun is named differently with these colours on, so yeah. We got this mega thing, Mega Magnus. Yeah. Pew, pew, pew. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. There's a button. Yeah, that's about it. For that one, I got my shotgun. Yeah. It's really hard to load. There we go. So I like this gun. It's pretty cool. It's one of my favourite. So yeah. Pretty snazzy. And I got my brother's, but he just put it in my room. I was like, okay. So yeah. Oh, Jesus, it's heavy. With one hand. So yeah, I'll have to move back for this one. So yeah. Oh, right. I bought this at a second-hand shop. It's actually really good. It is quite the awesome. Loads pretty cool. Quickly, even. Yeah, so that's that. Then we have a pirate gun. Pretty simple. Trigger's weird, but still. Hey ho, there's no like hole at the end. And this is like the design. It's so cool. And we got this strong arm. Whoa. But yeah. rubbish. So yeah, another Nerf gun. Oh, then we got this Rebel gun. It's pretty cool. I got it for my birthday. It fires enough bullets, and pull the trigger. There's a little light. It's red, but then you can see. Oh, there we go. It's red, but then white, red. There's no actual proper scope, so if I go like that, I can't really see anything. Well, not really. I actually can't. So yeah, pretty cool. Then we got Night Finder. Yeah, it is. Again, no batteries, but this fires laser as well. Go like that. So you pull this back, fire. My first ever Nerf gun. Batteries are taken out. There's loads more. He got so many. It's my first ever Nerf gun. This one might not actually be mine, but still. Yeah, so these to hold the bullets. Nice. And then we got the mini AK-47. Nothing really to it. Bit broken. There's another gun, but bigger size, but the back's broken. But yeah. I'll try and find that later. Then we got this paintball gun. I put a marble in it, and then tried to fire it. It got jammed. It's a pretty bad idea actually doing that. Yeah, it's stuck in there. So not jammed, but it's just stuck in there. Whoops. And then we got the Jolt. Another Jolt. But the orange one. Yeah. So yeah. Most of my guns there. My toy ones. Of course they won't be real because I'm too young. That's me. That's how I sneeze, alright? I'm not dabbing, okay? Just more polite for me to sneeze like that than like that, because you get spit all over your hands and it's not nice. And then you start touching everything and it's just... So yeah. Try and find my AK-47, a different one. So yeah. Stand out and don't be afraid. See ya.